What if I told you most small YouTubers don't quit because they're untalented, they quit because they don't know how to survive? You upload, you refresh, you wait, 10 views, maybe 12 if your cousin is feeling generous, and slowly, a dangerous thought creeps in. Maybe this isn't for me. Here's the truth no one talks about. Being a small YouTuber is psychologically brutal. No comments, no income, no proof you're improving, just silence. And silence is loud. But here's the twist. The small phase isn't a punishment. It's a test. If you survive this stage, you win. If you don't, you become part of the 99% who disappear. So how do you survive when growth feels invisible? First, understand this. YouTube doesn't reward effort. It rewards value. That hurts. I know. You might spend 6 hours editing. Add dramatic music, smooth transitions, cinematic zooms that would make a Hollywood director proud. But if the idea is weak, the algorithm doesn't care. So survival rule number 1, obsess over ideas, not editing. Before you record, ask yourself, would I click this if it wasn't my video? If the answer is no, congratulations, you just saved yourself 6 hours. Now let's talk about consistency. You've heard it 1,000 times. Just upload consistently. But consistency without improvement is just repeating mistakes faster. Instead, follow this formula. Upload, analyze, adjust, repeat. Every video is data, not a judgment. Low click-through rate? Your title and thumbnail need work. Low retention? Your hook is weak. No impressions? Your topic lacks demand. See the shift? You're not failing. You're collecting feedback. And if you think the algorithm hates you personally, relax. It doesn't even know you exist yet. Which brings us to the next survival principle. Detach emotionally from outcomes. Small YouTubers who survive treat content like a business, not a diary. Your video getting 20 views doesn't define your worth. It defines your current skill level. And skills can be upgraded. Now here's the exciting part. If you survive long enough while improving, something powerful happens. One video breaks out. One video brings subscribers, momentum, opportunity. But only if you're still in the game when it happens. Let's talk about money. Ad revenue won't save you in the beginning. It's too slow. So focus on leverage. Build skills in scripting, editing, thumbnails, storytelling. These skills can make you money through freelancing long before AdSense pays you anything meaningful. Your small channel is not a failure. It's a training ground. Every upload sharpens your skill. And here's the urgency. Right now, someone with less talent but more discipline is uploading. Uncomfortable? Good. That discomfort is fuel. Surviving as a small YouTuber isn't about motivation. It's about systems. Improve 1% every upload. Study your analytics. Study your audience. Study what works. And most importantly, don't quit. Because quitting guarantees failure. But surviving? Surviving gives you a chance at exponential growth. And if you want to understand why 99% of YouTubers still never grow and how to make sure you're not one of them, click on the video on your screen right now. I'll see you there.